Hey everyone, welcome back to GFX Logic, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple watermark. So yeah, let's start. First head to Photoshop, which if you don't have, you can find a free download in our Discord server, and link of our Discord server you can find is below in the description or pinned comment. So first thing, you're going to go to File and then New. The sizes I'm going to choose are 500 and for height, let's say around 250, and then go create. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to color the background in some dark gray color like this. Let me just set hardness to 100. Okay, like this. Now what you're going to do is to head over to the Google, then head over to the font, or which is a font site, and you can find a lot of good fonts here, but I'm going to find some like really cool ones. So let's go to the let's go with maybe, let's see if there is any fantasy or fancy fonts. Okay, let's see. Now just type whatever you, so like this is a preview text, so I'm just going to type like Redulo or whatever you want to say on your watermark. I'm going to say like red, like this. Okay, and I'm going to find something I like. They all look nice, to be honest. I like this one, so I'm going to go with it. So just press download, wait for it to download, open file, then find this like tree type font file. This is the type of the file, and then just go install, and that's it. So now go back to the Photoshop, select the text tool, and here in super on the fonts, just find the font you downloaded, which I'm going to find with this, and I'm going to type red and color the text to white. I always suggest putting watermark like white. Then press Ctrl T and make it bigger. Like this. And now we're just going to edit watermark. So you're going to select the brush tool, click on it, rasterize layer, and then just right click and change the size to something that's like similar to text, so you can draw over, and change the color of your brush to white, maybe a little bit like this. Okay, now I'm just going to add some cool stuff. For example, maybe do something like this, or you could actually just maybe take the pen tool and then curvature pen tool and add stroke, and make sure the stroke is white and the fill is set to nothing, and to stroke to set it like to something like I'd say 5 maybe pixels, and then just go like this and press here, and yeah, maybe something like this. You can move this however you want to. Like this, so this looks like some sort of smiley, which is pretty cool, I guess. So yeah, you can do something like that, for example. or maybe you could maybe you could like select this and maybe do something like this, like this, and then for example, and then go again to it and just like this, or this, or this, or something like that, but that's not like my style. So you could do that, or you could just use the normal text, or do like some sort of cool lines maybe from here. We are going to make now the stroke like 7, and now you can like go here and press here and then press here and like this, and maybe like this, and then use the move tool and now just do something okay like this, so it like fits the text, for example, maybe something like that. Yeah, or you could for example do something like this, and then this, and like this, and like this, maybe like more of this, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then here, so like you have some sort of cool lines, you see. So yeah, or you could just do your initialize, like I'm Radula 3D, so I could do like something like use this curvature tool, and maybe I could do something like this. R. I'll first try to make the R. So like this, and then okay this, and then like something like this. It's when making watermark, it's all just like playing with the pen tool, to be honest. So yeah, maybe I could do something like this, so we have some sort of R, and then what you could do is to make like this lines like roundify, so you're just going to like go here and maybe change the size to 10, or whatever you have set the size of the of this pen tool. So I'm going to do like 7. Okay, and now I'm going to hold Alt and then zoom in with the mouse wheel, and then I could like do this, wait, maybe like this, or like this, or like this. You know, it's all playing. You just gotta be creative for watermark. It's not really hard. And now I'm going to do like a number 3, which should be easy. So for the number 3, I'm going to take another again curvature tool, then maybe do something like this, then this, then this, and then I'll hold Control and click for example here, or just here, and then again something like this, then this, then this. So yeah, we have some sort of the number 3. Maybe we could fix it. Yeah, I think we can fix it a lot. It can look a lot better. So I'm just going to try again. For example, yeah, this, then this, like this maybe, and maybe just go here. Yeah, pretty much something like this, and then just boom, like this, this, and this. Okay, so we have now like a number 3. Now I'm just gonna group these two shapes, and now you can like move them. I'm gonna move it like here. Maybe like something like to rotate it a little, just press Ctrl T and then like here, or you can free transform. And then same thing I did for the R. I'm just going to press on one of these layers and make like some sort of this. Yeah, something, I'm pretty sure something like this could do. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do the watermark. It's not very hard. You just gotta practice. You don't even have to practice, you just gotta be creative, and it's all playing with a brush tool, or you know, you could just do something like this, like for example this one isn't good, but it's just an example. It's all like playing with the brush and pen tools and the rubber, and you know, it's really easy. And after you do that, you're just going to delete background and save it to your PC, and that's pretty much it. I suggest always using a watermark to protect your work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you have any tutorials, suggestion, make sure to type them below. Join our Discord server. See you next time.